Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by securing your data and isolating variables. Backup photos and contacts now. If something goes wrong, you'll restore easily. Remove the case and any screen protector, then clean the bezel and display edges with 70% IPA. Dirt and oils often trigger false touches. Once done, reboot into safe mode to determine whether a third-party app causes the issue. Safe mode disables apps but keeps system functions. So watching touch behavior here reveals whether software or hardware is at fault. You now tackle software culprits. Start by updating Android and firmware from settings so known bugs are patched. Make sure Wi-Fi or mobile data is stable during download. Clear the system cache partition if available or uninstall recently added apps that coincide with the fault, then install a touch diagnostic app to map erroneous touch points. If the problem persists and diagnostics point to software, perform a factory reset only after confirming backups. This wipes configs and often stops ghost touch caused by corrupted system data. If software steps fail, you move to hardware. Power down, open the phone, and inspect the display flex and connectors. Reseat them gently because loose connections cause ghosting. If available, test with a replacement display assembly or a known good screen to confirm the touch digitizer is faulty. Also inspect for liquid or corrosion and replace adhesive seals if needed. Finally, reassemble and test thoroughly. If ghost touch continues despite these steps, seek a professional repair shop to replace the digitizer or mainboard.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.